siya-understand ama-transport ne-distance sikude. Ngofikile Mnguni, yes, kade sekuintroduce-iwe ngofikile Mnguni. Ngiqhamuka ePinetown. Ngiceliwe-ke nje, ngicelwa usisi Nomcebo ukuthi ngivele namhlanje to share nami ngendlela ezokwazi ukuthi hopefully it-contribute towards your ladies development, healing, whatever God wants to do. So bengisachaza-ke i-background yami ekukhuleni kwami ukuthi ngakhula kanjalo-ke under that environment. Kuyasetshenzwa la ekhaya amabhizinisi akhona yonke into, kodwa there is an element that is missing. Ukubona uthando phakathi kwabazali, ngoba umama was a breadwinner, but my father yena engakhombisi leyo contribution. Siyabona kwenzeka futhi namanje ukuthi isikhathi esiningi imizi eminingi iqiniswa ngomama, siyayibona leyo nama-state ase-South Africa asho njalo, imizi eminingi iqiniswa ngomama. Kodwa labo mama ngesikhathi beqinise le mizi balimele bona, bathwele imizi, bathwele iy'nhlungu ezidalekile kuma-relationship, sometimes ezidaleke from ama-childhood. Nami as a young girl ngaba kuleyo experience enjalo. My father owayengacontribute ekhaya ezenzela into ayithandayo, but he managed to molest me. Lokho kodwa kuthini ukuthi sisuke ekhaya sishiye ekhaya sesiyahamba sesiyodlala kwenye indawo, yabona esihluphe ezinjalo njalo. But for the longest time I couldn't talk about that because ngangisaba one ukuthi mengike ngasho nje uzobe sanabulale kwasabani la, because waye-violent. Two, uma uzokuconfronta abulala umama zokwenza injalo engayingasayilandela. Ukuthula kwami ngagcina sengithula nayo ngisho sengimdala. Sekukhona lento ngisho ukuthi ngibe ashamed. Siyaba ashamed ngezinto ezenziwe kuthina engenziwanga kuthina. Yabona, ngoba as women sikhuliswa naleyo responsibility engazi ukuthi all people's behaviors, you are responsible for all that people do. Nabakwenza kwena kuthiwa usigqokelele isiketi esincane uzureshwe, uhambeleni ngala uzureshwe, ubuyelele ephathini uzureshwe. Uyabona ukuthi ibhekiswe kuwena leyo responsibility. So nami ngakhula ngithulele ngisathi ukuthi le shame le ngizothi ngareshwa ngireshwe baba nokwenza inhliziyo engaka. Ngathi mengiyikhuluma ekhaya kwaba worse, kwavesane kwangabikho nje ufuna unginikana ukuthi hawu yini manje isholani lento engashiwo. Hhayi-ke nganede ngabhala incwadi-ke, hhayi-ke bavesane-ke abazala naku-book launch ngoba kubona bakuthatha sengazi ukuthi angishenile family ukuthi ngiyikhulume leyo, kanti bese ngithulile nayo isikhathi eside. And leyo nto leyo God was speaking to me about ukuthi ngaleskhathi lesi uyireleasa, you are releasing other women abahleli nayo leyo nto. Uyabona kwazi kwafika la ngithola khona ukuthi 1 in 3 women experience the molestation as a young girl. 1 in 3 in South Africa. But where are they? Abakhulumi because iy'shame. Ayikhulumi iy'shame. So when I came to know the Lord, kwayila bese ngikwazi khona ukuthi ngithole isibindi-ke manje, ngathola leyo thando, ngathola leyo warmth, ngathola le-comfort ne-acceptance, nayo into engangiyifuna kakhulu. Ngizibone ngazuthi ngihlukile, I'm not accepted because something happened to me. So I cannot talk about this, I must be this and that. Uyabona the performance ukuthi iba izinto ey'thize khona uzoba accepted. But when I came to know Christ, ngathola ukuthi accepta as I am. That's when I was able to release. Ngathi ngiyayibhala le ncwadi, ngayibhala le ncwadi yahlala